Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from The Recipe Rebel, and today we are making a super simple ham and cheese quiche. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a quick weeknight dinner, but it's just as welcome on a holiday brunch table. It's totally customizable. You can mix up the ingredients to make it your own if you like. This is how we're doing it today. I am starting with a refrigerated pie crust. If you're feeling a little judgy about that, you can head over to my blog post and I've included a link to a scratch-made pie crust just for you. I'm gonna roll it out a bit with a rolling pin and then I'm gonna press it into my pan and crimp the edges a bit. You don't have to get too fancy. It's okay if it looks homemade. So now that our totally 100% homemade from scratch pie crust is already in the pan, we're gonna start throwing in our filling ingredients. So I am using chopped ham, cheddar cheese, and green onions. And we're gonna leave a little bit of the cheese out to sprinkle on top after we add our eggs. And now we're gonna whisk our eggs, milk, salt, and pepper together and pour it over our filling ingredients. I like to do this in a large measuring cup because it makes it really easy to pour when it's all mixed. Now we're gonna pour it over our filling ingredients. We're gonna sprinkle on the rest of our cheese and we're just gonna pop it in the oven. So that's how you make my easy ham quiche. For the full recipe, head over to thereciperebel.com. Time to taste test. Just the gloves.